Hi everybody, it's Chartsky here with another quick 5-minute video for those interested in how we did this last week in our live trading room. We had a good week, 4 profitable days out of 5. So let's hit the highlights and see how we did it. Monday, May the 6th was a good day, and most of it came from crude oil. These are my trades called out in advance just like I do every day, with the exact entry, stops, and profit targets. And the results from Monday. Tuesday, May the 7th, let's look at gold. It's a thinly traded market, but a lot of different approaches work. For example, simple Fibonacci retracements with the trend. And we see how that key level held against 2 more tries later that morning. The biggest problem with gold, besides being a thin market, is that our moves are sometimes huge, like you can see there. So most people's stops are huge and they just don't trade gold. We wait and jump in for small quick scalps. Those can turn into bigger trades, but here I just took $300 out. And we added some more small bites in crude oil and the Euro FX for a decent morning on Tuesday. Now, on Wednesday, May the 8th, this is crude oil, and it was ugly. And this is gold, and it was even uglier. But this is the Euro FX, and while it was ugly, it wasn't as bad as the other two. And so we fought hard on Wednesday. Win one, lose one, win one, lose two. But we finally made just a little, enough to cover our costs and about nice dinner money, and that was on a choppy, ugly morning. And then May the 9th, this is crude oil, and that is its reaction to the unemployment report, a fizzle. So we're looking at this. Pretty straightforward. Upward trending support and resistance. And price breaks down well on a good sized bar that closes near its low, but we don't sell yet. We wait until price comes back up and retests the resistance and falls again, and we sell, and we get strike one. Kind of tipped my hand, but on a failure down, we bought crude oil, and in some hysterical whip, we got strike two. And at about the same time, we took a companion trade in the S&P, strike 3, so by my rules, we're out. We're done for the morning. That's so that a small loss does not turn into catastrophic loss, but we did have a losing day on Thursday. On Friday, May the 10th, this is the Euro FX with 3 areas of pretty bad chop and whip. We basically broke even trading the Euro FX on Friday. But now this is the E-mini S&P, and we got a nice trade off there that you could have done any amount of volume you wanted with. And finally, crude oil, it had a little bit of dangerous whip, but we see that almost every day, and we were able to take a little bit out of crude oil on Friday. So here's Friday's results. And the rest of the week, a good week, but with a 3-strike day, it's hard to have a great week. And then again, you can't have a great week every week. So that's how we did last week. If you're interested in joining us or you want to find out more, please visit my blog at www.chartsky.com or send me an email at chartskytrades@gmail.com. And by the way, we have a big announcement coming soon, so please keep checking back in, and thanks for watching.